All right. Welcome back, everybody. Welcome back, boys and girls. Welcome back, my crypto friends and family. I hope you guys are doing all right. Welcome back to a very, very sad posture. Of course, we were prepared for it. Well, at least I hope you watched my last analysis a few days ago, because this is exactly what I was talking about. Now, we do have a lot of stuff to talk about, so I would remind you to sit back, grab something to drink, make sure that you are comfortable, and then we will meet after. All right, so let's start with a little bit of hindsight analysis. Just looking at what has happened. So I think my last video was was it somewhere around here? Oh yeah, but this is a 10-hour chart. The last video we were in between these two zones, and like I said, rejecting the one would put the pressure down to the other side. Breaking through this level would continue to the next area of support being about 50. Now, the telltale sign was the following structure of bearish divergences, and then, of course, the confirmation of um, price and RSI breaking to new lower lows. Of course, again, breaking this one, going down to the next level right over here. Now, there are a few things that are worth mentioning. Right now, we do have these series of bearish divergences, and the thing that could save such a situation is a bullish divergence on the other side. Preferably a bullish divergence with the prior local low being this one. So right now, this is the most crucial moment to decide whether we are still going to find support or whether this whole thing is going down further to lower levels. And that would be an easy, yeah, somewhere around 35,000, $32,000. So yeah, that's a substantial drop from the all-time high, at 60,000, where I mentioned that it was time to be very, very cautious and be very careful. Also, where I exited all my positions. Going down to 30,000, that's a 50% drop. Okay, so that's not nothing. Now, what we're going to do today is we're going to look at potential areas for support. We are going to measure out these two zones and try to make a range so we can determine where the real point of no return. Right, so do this. Maybe we want to start with the 1-hour chart first, because this one actually is speaking. This area over here, potentially, I don't think we're going to go a lot higher, or we are going to have to break this area over here. Price act. Okay, so let's maybe do something like this and bring this all the way down somewhere around this. I'm just eyeballing it. We can do the measurement later. On the low end over here, we do have this bullish divergence that obviously did play out, but I'm sorry. There are enough areas of potential resistance that are going to probably push this all the way back down. I'm not going to be mapping all these areas because on the RSI they have been broken. The thing is now it's the price action, the price level that needs to be broken as well. So we can do this very easily by just marking off the local highs, if you can call this a local high. This is for the 1 hour chart, so this is very, very, very short term. Then let's do the low end, but I'm not going to do this here on the 1 hour chart. Why? Because this RSI level is so low. A lot can happen in the meanwhile, and I think the higher time frames are going to help us a lot. Let's look at the 3 hour chart first. Have a look how much the 17 on. So even this local low on the RSI has been broken. This is a new lower low. And we also have a low closing point, but this RSI level comes from this area here. So potentially, I call this a danger zone for a continuation to the downside. Also considering this huge volume area over here sitting right on top. Not a pretty. So let's look for the down. Not on Earth. I think we can use the So this would bring us down to 40, 41. Look. App. Go. And while we're at it, this area, well, on the 3 hour chart, this is a lot. So let's see 3.4. We got 50 more or less. Doesn't have that exact. All right, so we have those two areas. This is the short range. Let's look at the higher term ranges. What do we see here? So potentially here on the 10-hour chart, this is not a lower low, and this is a lower low yet. So if I were to put my biases on which direction this is going to choose, I would have to go more and more with continuation to the downside, because the higher time frames do speak a lot louder than the lower time frames. And for now, just wait, hold on. Maybe I'm missing something. Maybe I'm, because we do have a potential bullish urgency, but this one will only be confirmed if and when, of course, the price does break outside of the green box. So this still stands. And then on the downside, um, we will have continuation for the 10-hour chart if and when the RSI level breaks below this area over here. This would be at the 3. This would be 42,000. Bring it up. There we go. Beautiful. All right. I think we do have a plan. The plan is to wait and see. I would really, really not be bullish at all for the moment. Just because we are coming out of these series of bearish divergences, and from here, from this one, there still has not been a bullish divergence yet. So caution would be advised if you want to be bullish, and I would say patience. Patience is advised if you are bearish and you are looking to short this whole situation. Because right now this is too early in the game to jump in on a short. What you want to do, of course, is short the top and long the bottom, right? And right now we are at the bottom of this move. There is going to be a push further up potentially. On the other hand, if there were a push further down, rejecting this red box, this could be a bullish sign, of course. And then, of course, your point of invalidation would be exactly the same. That red line over here sitting right above the top. Maybe we can put it at this level. So we are talking about the closing of a candle, okay, right above this area. The closing and the opening of a new candle. Holding. Beautiful. So we do have a plan. We do have some things to be looking forward to. Now, on this note, I hope you do enjoy it. That you did enjoy it. Did not see the prices. So I'm going to set this large, this, so you can see all the price ranges. And also this, and remove that. Maybe I can also add some price tags. This area over here. There you go. All right, screenshot time. Cool. Well, maybe I would set this a little bit higher. All right, so let's have a look at the Bitcoin dominance. Let's see what the hell, oh my God. I don't know what more to say. Bitcoin dominance is really, really gone to the doghouse. It's this is bad. This is really, really bad. See what our side looks like. Yeah, I don't know. Could this be a bottom? It's 40%. We've seen Bitcoin hover at worse. Not a death sentence. Of course, as long as exchanges are not putting the main pair with BTC for altcoins, Bitcoin is going to remain dominant. So all this is a non-issue, but this just shows how much the altcoin space right now is growing and how well it is doing. And you can tell very easily all the altcoins over BTC pairing, of course, are in the green. They are well in. Even Doge is added again. How crazy is that? It's insane, If you ask my opinion, well, let me ask your opinion, because I don't know if you remember this, I often coined the phrase and phrase, show me the charts and I will tell you the news. Well, let's play that game. Let's see if we can play that game. Where are we? Over here. So we had a nice bull run, very well, almost going down. This is where I was thinking the first time that this was game. And what happened? Elon Musk sent a tweet that just said BTC. So pump and dump, badam, boom, very nice. Okay, in the end, Bitcoin price goes up a little bit more, and over here, Tesla makes the announcement that they are getting X amount billions of Bitcoin and that they are accepting payments in BTC. And what happened from here on, and this is where I was wrong, I thought that this was just going to be another pump and dump. Just kept going, kept on going. Now, over here, Elon Musk and Tesla decide not to be accepting Bitcoin as a payment because it's not eco-friendly enough. And what happens? Bam, all the way down. So, in the grand scheme of things, are we actually looking at the most massive pump and dump ever? Or is this just another way for whales to buy in at a lower price and going further up and making new all-time highs? Well, time will tell, and I also gave you some clues to be looking for, meaning those red boxes being rejected or broken. I think those will be the best telltale signs to see where the next evolution take us. Well, I thank you for this for your attention. I wish you a very happy rest of your day, and I hope to see you on the flip side. Be very careful with your positions. Don't be too eager. These sideways moments, those are actually the dangerous areas where you can. Okay, so very sure that this is not going to take forever. Eventually, another course is going to be decided on, and we are going to see massive moves, and everybody is going to be very happy, longing whether it is longing or shorting matter. So I will see you guys on the next one. Have a very nice day. Bye bye.